Hey everyone, James from Elite. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to deep dive into some important updates. The UK government has made it easier to install heat pumps and change planning regulations. So if you're a homeowner or a landlord and thinking of switching to greener heating, then these changes have made it easier than ever. Previously, heat pumps had to be installed at least 1 metre away from the neighbouring boundary. Take a look at this example. We had to go through 6 months of planning applications with the local council to get this heat pump installed, even though their neighbour wanted it installed in the first place. The next change is the maximum size of a heat pump without planning permission has been increased. This means larger and more efficient heat pumps can be installed without the extra paperwork. The next one's a biggie, literally a biggie. Detached properties can now install 2 heat pumps without extra planning permission. So for instances like this, next time we won't have to go for a full year of planning applications to get these 2 heat pumps in this beautiful home. And now it's not just air-to-water systems anymore. Air-to-air systems offering cooling are now under permitted development rights. Take a look at this one. Installation must still comply with the Microgeneration Certification Scheme, the MCS, planning standards or equivalent to ensure quality and efficiencies. The 42 decibel noise limit still applies, but MCS strict sound assessment ensures large units still operate quietly in peak operation. So if your property is in a conservation area or a World Heritage Site, it is important still to contact the local planning authority before proceeding. And don't forget, the government is still supporting the installations of heat pumps with the boiler upgrade scheme with a £7,500 contribution, making the move to low carbon heating more easy and affordable. So whether it's advice or a professional installation team to meet these new standards, please get in touch with us at Elite Services Group, and please like and subscribe this channel. It massively helps as always. And thanks for watching. So today we're going to deep dive into some important updates. The UK government has made it easier for planning applications, planning regulations. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm James from Elite and welcome back to the... Right, start fresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. James from Elite. So today we're going to deep dive into some important updates. The UK government has made it easier for heat pump panel... Oh. It's like someone turning on a... And don't forget, the government is still supporting the installations of heat pumps with the boiler upgrade scheme with a £7,500 contribution,